who do you think can win the election?
Modi. Namakku Modi.
Modi.
And Modi.
Reached Madurai, the far corner of Tamil Nadu, on the day of last day of campaigning. I was on Rameshwaram to understand the sentiments of Lord Ram's followers here. And today, as the voting begins on April 19, I'm going to bring you a report by talking to a lot of people. But let's first ask this gentleman. So, what's your name, sir?
M. Tangapandi.
M. Tanga?
Tangapandi.
Tanga Pandi. And Tanga Pandi ji, बताइए, who do you think can win the election? AIA, DMK or BJP?
BJP.
BJP?
BJP.
Why do you think so?
நல்ல நேம் நம்மள நிர்வாகம் சூப்பர்.
They're doing good job.
Good job. Good job.
Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Stalin or anyone?
தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டாலின்.
And India?
இந்தியா வந்து மோடி.
You want Modi?
மோடி.
But you think BJP can win Lok Sabha election?
எலெக்ஷன்.
What do you do, sir?
மோடி. மோடி.
What do you do? You work or?
மோடி. ஒர்க்கர். நான் வந்து ஒர்க்கர் கூலி ஒர்க்.
Kuli?
கூலி ஒர்க்.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So you can see the first photo that I had. I'm going to talk to more people. Let's see what they have to say. Keep following me today on the first voting day on the New Indian as I bring you ground reports from Tamil Nadu as this is one of the crucial states to follow the elections. Let's speak to some more people as well. Who do you think can win the election? DMK, BJP or AIA DMK?
Namakku Modi.
Modi? Modi, Stalin or Rahul Gandhi? Modi, what's your name?
Prakash Vel. M. Prakash Vel.
M. Prakash?
Vel.
What do you do, sir?
House loan pass ஆயிருக்கும்.
Okay. Who do you think today is the voting day? Who can win? Modi, Rahul Gandhi or Stalin?
And Modi.
Modi, what do you do?
எதுக்காண்டி நீங்க மோடி லைக் பண்றாரு?
Modi could be Pradhamar. Could be PM.
Could be PM?
Yeah.
You think he's a good guy?
Good, very good.
And Stalin?
Modi very nice.
Modi is way ahead. Okay. Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Stalin, Mamata Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal. Today is the voting day.
தாமரை. BJP.
BJP? You think so? They will win the election? You want to see Modi as Prime Minister?
மோடி.
Not Rahul Gandhi, Stalin? You have casting your vote today? Oh, he has cast his vote today. He's cast his vote today and he thinks Modi can be the Prime Minister.
Narendra Modi to become a third time.
Narendra Modi?
Yes.
So what's your name, sir?
My name is Ramesh Pandi.
Ramesh Pandey.
Yes.
You stay in Madurai?
Yes,
You cast your vote today?
yes,
Oh, he's cast his vote today. That's your daughter?
yes, sir.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Renuka Devi.
Renuka Devi ji. Renuka ji, you also stay in Madurai, of course, with your husband?
Yes.
And who do you think can be the Prime Minister? Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Stalin, Mamata Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal or anyone else? Modi? You think so? BJP will win overall? And why do you think so BJP will win overall in India?
Because except South State, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, so all are Modi's weightage of this
Okay.
is the main
So,
reason.
but do you think he's doing good job here? Overall India?
Yes, I think.
And what do you do, sir?
I think he's the best person to become the third Prime Minister
Prime
of
Minister.
India. Yeah.
And what do you do? What is the profession that you do?
Yes, my profession is assistant professor.
Assistant professor. You teach?
Yes, yes.
Where?
College.
Oh, okay. Right, sir. Pleasure meeting you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
These are the early voters from Madurai that I'm speaking to as I bring you exhaustive reports in this country. Keep following me on the New Indian on Vote Pe Charcha as I bring you reports. We have traveled extensively in the northeast. We have traveled extensively in the Hindi heartland of UP. Then we have traveled in the mountain state of hill state of Uttarakhand. And we have now also covered the South India as we bring you exciting reports from Chennai, Madurai and next week onwards from Karnataka and Kerala. Keep following me.
वोट पे चर्चा रोहन दुआ के साथ